Welcome viewers. I am Kakoli Gogoi. Along with me is Professor Benidhar Deshmukh. We are from School of Sciences, IGNOU. Today we will discuss about geoinformatics related programs at IGNOU. In this session, we will give you a background of what is geoinformatics. We will discuss about the programs being offered at IGNOU and the objectives, the structure of this program, and we will also discuss about how the counseling is being done for these programs, and we'll also discuss about assignments and examinations, and at the last we will discuss about the employment prospects. So I will now request Deshmukh sir to kindly give an overview of what is geoinformatics.
So viewers, as you see, geoinformatics, this word consists of two separate words. Geo means earth, and informatics is related to a field involving computers and information science, and is related to the representation, processing and communication of information. So geoinformatics or geomatics is a synergy of various disciplines like remote sensing, geographic information system, global navigation satellite system, cartography, geodesy, photogrammetry and others. So GI technologies, that is geoinformatics technologies, deal with processing, acquisition, storage and dissemination of spatial information, and availability of the geospatial information is must for various kinds of planning of infrastructure, social development, natural calamities, and dealing with the sectors like agriculture, power, water, transportation, communication, insurance and health. So geoinformatics is an emerging field, and it is there are several advantages of this field, like it is relevant wherever there is a spatial data is concerned. It is a means of rapid and periodic data collection. It can create and visualize what if scenarios and is useful in planning and management. Now, demand for the geoinformatics professional is increasing due to various factors, like particularly the applications potential in various fields, and like in environmental monitoring management, then the terrain mapping and analysis, natural resource management, natural hazards and disaster management, urban and rural planning, traffic and transportation, business applications, and also the geospatial education. So these are some of the areas where we see that it has a tremendous potential. Now this application potential, besides this, the scope of the geoinformatics technologies has tremendously increased, mainly due to various government initiatives. I can name some of the projects like the smart cities, Swamitwa, Amrit, in the sectors like transport, logistics, supply chain management, and also to some policy changes which are like deregulating the spatial data, liberalized drone policy and others. So at IGNOU, the School of Sciences through its discipline of geology offers 3 programs at 3 different levels. One is the PG certificate, then the PG Diploma and the master's level. So these programs are given codes like PGCGI for the PG certificate, PGDGI for the PG Diploma, and MSCGI for the master's program. These 3 programs are offered in the open and distance learning mode, and this program aim to provide learners with theoretical knowledge and the practical skills so that they can leverage the potential of geoinformatics. Through this program, it provides an opportunity to learners who are interested to develop skills and willing to apply them in their application domain. And importantly, this program have been designed and developed with the help of several eminent experts across India who have been drawn from premier institutions and organizations like Indian Space Research Organization, Defense Research and Development Organization, Indian Institute of Technologies, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Department of Science and Technology, and many other experts from academia and industries. So an important aspect of these programs are that they align with some of the features of the National Education Policy 2020, like it has a component of multidisciplinary in nature. They have a component of experiential learning. They are skill based, and the learning supports are provided through besides the classroom setup, through audio video and through the use of ICTs. And it has a multiple entry and exit options. Let me just give you some detail about this option. This like somebody who takes admission in PG certificate, which is a 6-month duration program. About that, Kakoli madam will be discussing later on. But this is a 6-month program, 1 semester program. And somebody who completes this PGCGI program, once they complete, and if they are interested to go for higher education further in this field, so they can take lateral entry directly into the 2nd semester of the PG Diploma program. Somebody who completes PG Diploma, they can take lateral entry directly into the 2nd year of the MSc program, provided they fulfill the eligibility criteria. And vice versa, if somebody say has taken admission in PG Diploma and for some reason they opt out of this program after completing 6 months of courses with worth 20 credits, so they will be getting a PG certificate. Somebody who takes admission in the MSc program, and for some reason if they leave after 6 months, they would be getting a PG certificate if they complete the 1st semester courses successfully. And if they complete first 2 semesters, that is 1 year courses successfully, they would be getting a PG Diploma if they opt out after completing 1 year. So this is in short about these 3 programs. Now Dr. Kakoli will be discussing about the objectives, and she will be giving some more details and the structures of these 3 programs.
Yes, viewers, as Professor Deshmukh, he have already told that there are 3 programs related to geoinformatics, that is PG certificate in geoinformatics, PG diploma in geoinformatics, and MSc geoinformatics. So with the level of these programs, the objectives are framed. So let me discuss about the objectives of the certificate program, that is PGCGI. The objectives are to provide theoretical knowledge and practical skills in the basics of geoinformation science, and to acquaint the learners with spatial data, their analysis and applications, and to widen opportunities of learners for higher studies and developing career in different sectors of employment involving geoinformatics. So for PG diploma in geoinformatics, apart from the objectives that are discussed in PG certificate, in PG diploma, here the learners will acquaint with the basics and advanced understanding of the underlying principles, concepts and techniques of geoinformation science. So the objectives for MSc Geoinformatics, here the objectives are to acquaint the learners with basics and advanced understanding of the underlying principles, concepts and techniques of geoinformation science, and to provide skills in geospatial data handling, processing and analysis, and also to impart critical spatial thinking to analyze problems from a spatial perspective, that is systematically, and to prepare the learners to apply the principles and techniques towards finding a scientific solution to the problems in their application domain and communicate the findings. And lastly, to widen the opportunities for learners for higher studies and developing career in different sectors of employment, which involves geoinformatics. Now, to take admission to these programs, you see the target groups include the working professionals. Those are desirous of developing skills in the field to employ in their own domain of interest, and also to earn a higher degree. So the target groups include the defense and law enforcement personnels, faculty members in higher education institutes, then the school teachers who are interested to teach geoinformatics related courses, and also the working professionals with little or no prior experiences. And the target groups also includes the graduates. Those are interested in developing skills in this field. So here in your screen you can see this is the web page of PG certificate in geoinformatics. All the information you will get there in the official website of IGNOU, and you can also scan this QR code for further information. Let me give you the details of the PGCGI program where you can take admission. The duration for this program, minimum duration is 6 months, and you can complete within 2 years. That is, the maximum period is 2 years. And the eligibility criteria is graduation in any discipline from a recognized university. And the fee for this program, which is less than 8,000 and is also subject to change with time. And at present, the medium of instruction is English. And likewise, this is also the web page for the postgraduate diploma in geoinformatics. You will get the information. You can scan the QR code seen in this screen for further information. And the duration for this PG diploma program, minimum duration is 1 year and maximum is 3 years. And the eligibility criteria to take admission to the diploma program is graduation from a recognized university, and the fee for the PGDGI program, which is less than 16,000 and is also subject to change with time. And at present, the medium of instruction is English. And this QR code is also for MSc Geoinformatics program. This is available in IGNOU website, official website. You can get information for MSc Geoinformatics program. And to give you a brief, the duration is minimum of 2 years and maximum of 4 years. The eligibility criteria to take admission to MSc Geoinformatics, the candidates should have a graduate degree in either of science or engineering or technology or architecture, planning, computer application, information technology, medical and allied fields, commerce, then business administration, management. Or anyone who is having graduation with subjects like geography, mathematics, statistics, economics, anthropology, archaeology as one of the subjects in their graduation from a recognized university. And the program fee for this master's program in geoinformatics, which is less than 16,000 and which is also subject to change with time. And at present, the medium of instruction is English. So coming directly to the program structure of PG certificate in geoinformatics, that is certificate level program. So here there are three core courses, that is theory courses, and one lab courses. You can see, the first course is Introduction to Geoinformatics, which is of 6 credit. The second course is Remote Sensing and Image Interpretation, which is of 4 credit. And the third one is Global Navigation Satellite System and Geographic Information System. This is also 4 credit. And based on these theory courses, the fourth course, that is the laboratory course, is prepared. So the fourth course is laboratory course, that is Geoinformatics Laboratory, and this is of 6 credit. So total of 20 credit is required to get a certificate, that is the PG certificate in Geoinformatics. So the program structure for PGDGI, that is postgraduate diploma in geoinformatics, where you have to study the first semester courses that I have already spoken about, the certificate program, that is you see the certificate program for PGCGI. The first 4 courses, MGY 001, MGY 002, MGY 003, and MGY L 004. Those are the first semester course, and including that, for the second semester you have to study MGY 005, MGY 006, MGY 007, and MGY L 008 for PGDGI program. So this is also for the second semester, it is 20 credit. And for the MSc structure, including for MSc structure, you see you have to study the first semester course that I have spoken about, the certificate program, then the PGDGI program, and the third semester course, that is for the MSCGI program, MGY 009, MGY 010, MGY 011, and MGY L 012. Likewise, here also you can see there are 3 theory courses, and the fourth one is the lab-based course, which is built upon the theories that you will study in this 3 theory courses. So in the fourth semester, the final semester of MSCGI, there are also elective courses. MGY E 021, that is Emerging Application of Geoinformatics, and MGY E 022, that is Advanced Programming in Geoinformatics. You can choose any one of these 2 courses, which is 4 credit each. And there is also a compulsory course, MGY 013 and MGY 014. That is, MGY 013 is Research Methodology and Professional Skills in Geoinformatics. Then in MGY 014, that is Geoinformatics in Natural Resources and Environmental Studies. Both these courses are 4 credits. And finally, you can you have to give a project work or dissertation, that is MGY P031, which is of 8 credit. And there are also electives you can choose, which are 4 credits, like 4 plus 4, total of 8 credit. Apart from this or alternative of the project work, which will be available very soon. These courses are MGY E041, that is Geoinformatics in Urban Development and Planning. Then MGY E042, Geoinformatics in Disaster Studies. and MGYE 043, that is Geoinformatics in Coastal and Marine Studies. So all total of 80 credits is required to get an master's degree certificate. So as Professor Deshmukh, he have already discussed about the entry and exit of these three programs, where I have also shown you the structure of the three programs. I will again just go through that this certificate program, you will have to complete a credit of 20, and then you will get a certificate for the Geoinformatics program, that is PGCGI. And when you complete 2 semesters, that is 20 plus 20 credit, that is 40 credits, then you will get a certificate of Diploma, that is postgraduate diploma in Geoinformatics. And for the MSc Geoinformatics, all total there are 80 credits. So there are also lateral entry into the second year of for candidates who have completed PG Diploma in Geoinformatics. However, it is subject to fulfilling the requirements with respect to the eligibility criteria, the credits and the contents. So, viewers, this is regarding the structure of the three programs, the MSc GI program, PGDGI program and PGCGI program. So, let us know how we do counseling for these programs. We will also request Deshmukh sir for telling the viewers about the counseling, the assignments, and also related to examinations. So
yeah, this is a common question that we hear from our learners. They have questions related to how the counseling session is conducted, how the study is transacted, and how about the assignment part. That is basically the continuous assessment component. See, the counseling sessions are conducted by the concerned study center, which are spread across India at different locations, and there are counseling sessions which are conducted by, as mentioned, by the study centers, depending upon the availability of the counselors and availability of the lab facilities at a given point of time. So these counseling sessions are conducted not only for the theory courses but also for practical courses. So although it is not mandatory to attend the counseling sessions for the theory courses, we strongly advise that one should attend them so that they can learn more about these courses, and they can clarify their doubts during the counseling sessions. For practical courses, it is mandatory to attend them, and if there is no attendance, one is not eligible to appear in the term and examination. So that is important. So now further coming to the assignment, those assignments are generally uploaded on the IGNOU website, and one can visit and they can download. We also send them by email at times. For the June term and examination, one needs to submit the assignments by end of March generally, and for December term and examination, one is to submit the assignment by end of September. Any change in the dates, that is communicated through the notified through the IGNOU website, and one needs to submit the examination form if one wants to appear in a given term and examination. So they need to fill the examination form by the due date. In that, they can choose the exam center for their theory courses. So there are exam centers across India for IGNOU's examination, term examination. So learners can choose the place or the city of their examination for the theory courses. But for practical courses, the examination, the term and practical examination is generally held at the study center. So, and I mentioned earlier, attendance is a mandatory requirement to be eligible to attend the practical examination, and also one is to submit the practical records in time. Now coming to some of the highlights of this program. This PGCGI program, let me just highlight that it has a it is subjected to it is designed to expose the students to fundamental theoretical principles and practical applications involving the field of remote sensing and image interpretation, GIS, GNSS applications, and also laboratory courses, which are generally built on the free software and data. Along with the PGDGI program has courses or components on the techniques in DIP, including the artificial intelligence, machine learning, spatial analysis and modeling, and applications in many domains. And also there is a R programming component which is covered in the PG Diploma program. In case of MSCGI program, besides this, there are geospatial programming in R, Python, Google Earth Engine, Open Layers, GeoServer, Postgres, etc. are covered. Then there is a course of research methodology and professional skills. Then also there is option of project work and choice of application specific courses. And now coming to the employment prospect of this program, then generally the government organizations and the private industries and the R&D institutions, they employ people having skills or the qualifications in the field of geoinformatics, and in various fields like generally this recruitments are in the fields of NRM, natural hazards, disaster management, environmental monitoring, urban planning, geospatial education, etc. So now Dr. Kakoli will give you some information further about the program and then conclude this.
Yes, viewers. Today we have discussed about geoinformatics programs at IGNOU. Just very quickly, I will just request the learners or prospective viewers that you should be very much careful that these laboratory courses, they are available only in digital mode, and we use free and open source software, and it is also freely available, and you are also requested to use those. And lastly, you see, today we have discussed about geoinformatics. We have discussed about the programs that are being offered in at IGNOU, that is postgraduate certificate in geoinformatics, postgraduate diploma in geoinformatics, and MSc geoinformatics. For further information, you can just mail us at to Director, School of Sciences, or the program coordinators of this programs. And you can also scan this QR for admission, where the how to fill the forms, the videos are available in Somewhat portal. Thank you very much.
Thank you.